because we have that philosophy of, micro learning, bite sized, get what you want in 3 to 5 minutes, because our audience is, they're busy. They're busy working professionals, and don't want to stay for so long. But I totally hear you in terms of the compensation structure of other platforms. YouTube is the same. And yeah, I don't know what's
They want to hold eyeballs on the platform as long as possible.
Yeah.
And yet YouTube Shorts has been one of their biggest growth areas.
Exactly.
Which is where some of our viewers will be watching our conversation in a few weeks when we chop up interesting sound bites that will go on YouTube Shorts. Often more people will see that.
Yeah.
But I want both. There's a place for both. I would certainly love to have certain 10-second snippets of this to go viral and have millions.
Yeah.
I think you want a mix of both. And that's a part of marketing. There's always different mixes of long form, short form, this platform, that platform. I know that you post regularly on LinkedIn and other platforms. Is there any one social media platform that you find resonates the most with your customers from the standpoint of they're already customers and it's nice for them to be reminded of you, versus other platforms that are maybe bringing in customers for the first time?
Yeah, we found a lot of success with YouTube. We post a lot of our free courses and free tutorials there. And we have challenges, for example, that we post on YouTube, and people love it. They love getting engaged. We have an Excel challenge that goes out once a month. And,
an Excel challenge. That sounds like something I would fail miserably at, but perhaps I should take your course.
I'll give you a good price.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so it's a monthly challenge. We create, a scenario and give you the workbook, and people can submit their answers in our Slack community. And I think a week or two later, we provide the solution, and that's all on YouTube as well. So yeah, we found YouTube to be great for customer acquisition. And
is this from organic content? Or are you doing advertising, or a mix of
organic?
both?
We do a mix of both, but a lot of it is organic. And then
how much? I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I was going to say, and then in terms of retaining customers, we found LinkedIn really useful as well. We do post a lot on LinkedIn to target our business customers.
And with your YouTube, how much time and effort and energy is spent editing, polishing? I mean, you can spend $100,000 a month editing and polishing videos on YouTube to try to hit algorithms the right way and go viral. How much of your team's energy is spent crafting the YouTube and then promoting it in order to get the biggest audience and the right audience?
Yeah, we have an amazing social media manager who seems to just churn out tons of content, videos and shorts very quickly. I don't know how much time she spends on this, but she's highly productive.
Well, let's give a shout out to her. Who is it?
Maria.
Okay. We won't say her last name because we don't want anyone to steal her away from her. But that's great that you've got that.
Yeah, so she's amazing, and we do churn out a lot of content because she's just incredible with all the social channels.
And do these challenges work on LinkedIn as well? Because I would think that would be a lot where a lot of your audience is as well, since it's so business focused.
Yeah. We do have, So LinkedIn, we don't really acquire new customers from LinkedIn. It's just more re-engaging with our existing audience. But we found that YouTube is helpful for new customer acquisition.
Okay, that's great to know.